情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got the music from Lo Sirong and Gomoteu Band. They established themselves in 2007, chose their name to represent youthful freedom and breaking free from traditional boundaries. Their music explored themes of self-discovery and the pursuit of freedom. The band is a 3-time Golden Melody Award winner and is dedicated to creating rich and deeply personal music. Now, this song called Red Door or Munfong is from the album Today is a Wild Horse, and it delves into themes of birth, love, and home from a female perspective. Let's take a listen to this emotional song.
每一家都有相應嘅事嘅，啲嘅狀夢，啲嘅狀夢，將苦難留在我，當啲路為我，像佛靈們。
这首是罗思荣与顾毛头乐团所带来的《门红》，也就是门红。它是以女性视角来描绘诞生、爱情、家园等主题。歌声呢与乐器的交织，深刻激荡听者的心灵与感官。我们来继续收聽。
我放開藤下木，美麗病狀嘅風子。眼落去，也都是黑的太陽，粗酸的鼓樓，多見雖然有兩百空間，是嘅個性冇乜嘅改變。
Wow, the evocative vocals and intricate instrumentation by this band is just fantastic, isn't it? Again, it's brought to you by Lo Sirong与顾毛头 Band, and the song is called Munfong or Red Door. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.